here with a little bit of hair, one of them this time. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Gail Porter and Her Royal Highness Baroness Tiki Von Trapp.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Anyway, thanks to table number one, all the girls, the breast cancer girls, amazing girls. Anyway,
Hurry up and talk, you come on.
she was like this last year, such a bitch. Right, the nominees for the best club are...
The nominations for Best Club in association with PLM Promotions are Yellow, Thompsons, Fox, Ray,
Oh, you did not.
Stiff Kitten,
And the winner is... Ray.
No thanks.
Just a massive thank you to everybody, most of all the customers. Fantastic year. I don't like this kind of stuff on Sunday night, so.
Well done to Ram. And now we have the best.